Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post. In today's video, I'm going to be making a apple green lip gloss. I will be leaving everything listed down below as to where I got it from and everything is from Amazon in this video. All the links are listed below. Leave me any video suggestions, lip gloss colors that you guys may want me to try, any questions that you guys may have, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch this video because it is really short. Be sure to watch the video to the end so that you can see how this gloss turned out. And thank you all so much for watching and tuning in, and be sure to like this video so I know that you like it and I could continue to make these for you guys. Bye.